Nice surprise, PBZ.
The following is a high wind warning. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Beaver and Lawrence, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest and southwest Pennsylvania, east central Ohio, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia.
This might be it.
When? From 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and
Oh
power
no,
lines.
lost it.
Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. For the following people should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. Pennsylvania, Beaver and Lawrence, possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Ohio. Use caution if you must drive. Winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected.
Doubleheader?
Portions of
Doubleheader!
and southwest Pennsylvania, east central Ohio, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages. The following is a high wind warning. Travel for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Phelan Ridges and Westmoreland Ridges. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Pennsylvania, higher elevations of Westmoreland and higher elevations of Fayette counties. In West Virginia, eastern Preston, western Tucker, and eastern Tucker counties. When? From 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The forecast.
Oh boy.